Welcome back everyone to another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel, as I always say, take the time to look at the previous videos so you know what we've been talking about up until now. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about risk levels, and I will also be sharing some additional tips. We also will be going back to that 1 minute strategy. But one thing that I'm seeing that a lot of people are doing is not having that right timer on there, so we'll go over that as well. Okay, with so many requests, I have decided to extend the 30-minute coaching at 50% off for the next 2 weeks. That makes it easier for everyone. That way you can get in and schedule an appointment so I can go ahead and help you with your trades or find out where you're going wrong. The link is in the description. Always take that opportunity to sign up with Pocket Option if you haven't done so already, so you obviously can start making money like the rest of us. And it's always great to hear that this best beginner trading tip is helping a lot of people once they get on the platform and they start using that 1 minute strategy. Again, we've got real quickly some shout outs. Belinda went from $50 to $175. Denise went from $70 to $287. And Jeffrey went from $85 to $623. There you have it, folks. People are using this strategy. If this is not the strategy for you, then use the others that you see on my channel, but you obviously see it's working. Now, let's get into it. Now, obviously, you can risk as much as you want when you are on the broker and doing a trade. If you pick a particular risk level, say it's $5 or $10 or even $20, it is probably not wise if you lose that trade to double up on the next trade, whether you do it an hour later or what have you. One, because all that leads to is a blown account. You don't have to be outrageous, as you can see, it's just an example. So the point is, pick a risk level that you are comfortable with losing. If there's anything that I try to teach or coach about, is making sure you have that confidence when you take that trade. It is so important to believe in your trade once you execute it, that you know it is going your way. Why? Because you've taken the time to analyze the trade correctly. You've looked at your confirmations, you've looked at your indicator if you're using some, and you understand the price movement. But when you start taking trades, you need to have that confidence that you're going to win that trade because you put in the work and you analyze the entire picture. If you don't have that confidence, then you need to stay in your demo and continue to practice. Now, for this 1 minute strategy, as you can see at the top, I am using a 1 minute expiration time. I am not using a 1 minute timer. And it makes a big difference. We'll go over it again. If I enter on this candle, and if I get in at the top, using the 1 minute timer, I have obviously a minute for that trade to close. As that candle is closing, and let's say it's at 42 seconds, and I enter using that 1 minute timer, my trade time is going to be 59 seconds, not 42 seconds that you see on the candle. When you're using the 1 minute expiration, the M1, that's what I've been doing. I'm on 1 minute candles. The candle starts. I've got up to 30 seconds to get into that trade. If I get in, say at 34, you will see that my trade time is the same as the candle. So just make sure you understand that. Now, let's see how these continuing trades play out. that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.